Hello guys, you are welcome to today's cryptocurrency video, and today we would be looking at Bitcoin and we would be looking at some of the news you might have missed this week as regards Bitcoin. And so without further ado, let us move to the news of today, right? So we have seen in the UK, stablecoin rules have received the royal accent passing into law. So this is very huge for crypto, as a UK bill giving regulators the power to supervise cryptocurrencies and stablecoins was approved by King Charles, right? So this bill makes it legal, or makes crypto legal in the UK, and this is very huge, as we could see more money coming into the market, and we could see a lot more money in the UK coming. As you can see, the UK Treasury, the Financial Conduct Authority, Bank of England, and the Payment System Regulator will soon be able to introduce and enforce rules to regulate the sector, right? Very bullish. Also, you must have heard Fidelity is joining the rush for a Bitcoin ETF, right? This is following BlackRock. So we saw BlackRock, we saw ARK Invest, and others also are launching for the race to get a Bitcoin spot ETF. This is something we have been talking about for a while in the crypto markets, right? That we want a Bitcoin spot ETF. Asset management giants Fidelity Investment is again trying to launch a spot Bitcoin exchange traded funds, according to filings on Thursday. Remember, news came out from the SEC that they probably would deny a lot of those spot ETF, but we have seen firms like BlackRock reapply, and as you can see, BlackRock filing as a sign that the SEC could soon change. Since then, Wisdom Tree, Van Eck, Investico have all taken initial steps towards their own fund. Also, Katie Wood Axe Invest also filed to change its proposed Bitcoin fund Wednesday. We had brought it closer in line with the BlackRock application, right? So we are seeing these billion and trillion dollars of companies, right, are filing for an ETF, which is very bullish for crypto. As we could see, there are billions and trillions of dollars are coming to crypto. The SEC has already allowed the creation of ETF that track Bitcoin futures contract, which including the ProShares Bitcoin ETF BitStore, and that has more than $1 billion. But notice, this is just a leverage Bitcoin futures ETF and not necessarily a spot. And so we are seeing all these funds with trillions of dollars of assets, right, filing for a spot ETF, which means we could see a lot more money from traditional investments come into crypto. Also, we have seen presidential candidate Robert F. Kennedy Jr. He is running for president, right? And he is saying, as president, I will make sure your right to use and hold Bitcoin is inviolable, right? Bitcoin is not only a bulkable against totalitarianism and manipulation of our money supply, it points to the way forward towards a future which government institutions are more transparent and more democratic, right? So, and this is a synapse of his speech, right, talking about what he will do with Bitcoin. And as you can see, right, a lot more people are embracing this, right? And so that is what we have seen. Also, some latest news, we have seen also very bullish news coming out of Hong Kong, saying Hong Kong largest bank HSBC to offer Bitcoin and Ethereum ETF to customers, right? So this is very bullish, as Hong Kong, right, one of the largest financial giants, right, in Asia, has begun, one of the largest bank has begun to offer Bitcoin and Ethereum ETF to customers, which is very bullish, as we could see Asian money come into the market, right? And last but not the least is which you must have had, MicroStrategy, which has bought more of 12,333 Bitcoin at $347 million, right? It's also worthy to note that BlackRock has higher shares, right, in MicroStrategy. So probably is BlackRock indirectly buying Bitcoin through MicroStrategy? That is something we probably would be considering on the channel. And so those are the news, right, in Bitcoin even for this week. If you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on the subscribe button. Thank you for watching and have a